Are you hungry? Welcome, hello, I'm Kelsey, and I love florals. Mabel's gonna be trying to join me on my lap here, but anyway, I figured I would sew a vintage-inspired floral outfit, and I was thinking I would use this fabric I got on sale at the fabric store. It was a wonderful get it before it's gone sale, and I couldn't resist. I mean, just look at it. I love vintage florals. Don't leave me alone with your grandma. I will rob her blind. So I was thinking I would sew a cute little skirt with that. And then my mother had given me some plain white cotton fabric that she just had lying about her house. It wasn't being used, and I thought it's the perfect weight to make a cute little summer blouse, somewhat similar to this one. I'm going to be making a button down with the open collar, kind of like this. And I thought maybe I'd do some embroidery or maybe something different with the buttons, but just making a really cute kind of cottage-core, feminine floral outfit, because nothing's better than having an outfit with flowers on it. Let's get to it.
It's a song when you speak on the telephone, a 2-minute sign to the one left behind. You'll be coming home. Will you be there in the morning when I'm awake or miles away? I may be naive, but I still believe I belong with you. One thing's for sure, when you walk through that door, there'll be no more leaving, 'cause I'm never letting go. Will you be there in the morning when I'm awake? Till you return, I'll be waiting. We're only as far as miles away.
can't wait to listen to this audio when I play it back.